This is my 1990 1.6 Miata.
What the?
It's got a Garrett GT 2560R in it. I was pushing, well, with the electronic boost controller, it's about 12 pounds. I'm pushing about 250. Without it on, it's only like 7 pounds. It's fun still, and you know,
plenty of power for
more
Miata.
than what you need. I'm spinning first, second, and thirds with it off. Yeah, just lots of work. Built a lot of my own stuff. A splitter, my side skirt splitters, my spoiler. Try to do everything myself.
Check out this interior too.
What
have you done in here?
It's got a 6-speed with a 5-gear shift knob on it.
I like the shift boot. That's pretty awesome.
I made that stubby console. All my gauges and not too much in there.
Yeah. All right. Well, I think it's about time we go for a drive, huh?
Yeah, let's do it.
I'll buckle myself into this thing.
So you go.
All right. Turbo 1.6. My first time in a turbo Miata, to be honest. I feel like I should be buckled in more than I am, but I'm sitting crazy low because my head normally hits the fucking roof.
Oh, and yours doesn't have sliders on it, so this one sits like an inch or two higher.
Oh, inch or two higher. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is a 6-speed out of a Miata, is that right?
Yeah.
So the NBs.
Yep.
And it's supposed to handle up to what? Almost 300?
300, yeah. Like maybe possibly 350.
Feels like our old car.
Is it like a Miata's rear end?
Yeah, Torsen.
Okay.
I think it's just an NB Torsen or like a late model or something.
So you might be able to change the gearing and do what I did.
What the fuck is that? Holy shit!
I was mainly spinning.
Make sure there's no fucking cops or anything, right? Good fucking lord, dude. This thing's an animal.
It's fun.
Jesus Christ. That's such a beast, man.
Yeah.
It sounds so angry too. I love that sound.
Like I wish I could like run it like while I'm in like boost, because with the external or the electronic boost controller, it fluctuates the blow off valve or the wastegate, so it literally just like literally sounds like the Jetsons, like you know their car, they're just like
Yeah, it seems a fucking spaceship.
Yeah, it literally sounds like a UFO when you're going.
Oh, that's hilarious. A little bit of blow off valve. Holy shit, snaps. This guy's freaking out. You're gonna have to take this guy for a ride too, but I don't know if you want to go to the same place.
I think we might sit for a couple minutes.
Yeah, let's do that fucking deal.
5 minutes later.
First ride in the 250 horsepower?
Yeah, 230,
230? 250? Alright.
give or take. Here's a second.
Fuck.
Good thing I didn't do it.
Someone pulls out right in front of you. Oh. It sounds dope.
Yeah.
Alright, pull number 2.
I couldn't get it to stay.
The tires just go, man.
I have like no grip left on
Holy
these
crap.
tires.
That's insane.
This
That was insane.
I did that for the kiddies.
That was fun. Yeah, so that definitely feels, I would say it feels faster than our car, but the torque on our V6 definitely, you can feel it sooner, but this
I would
really
love,
goes.
Like, it would be a great race, the two of us.
Yeah, I would love
The two
to
cars.
do a race. We'll definitely have to do a video where we race each other.
Basically the same power. Like, I'm 230, you're like 230, 250, you're like 230, 250.
It's, yeah, same power, but
And you got a lighter engine.
yeah, yeah.
It would be a good fucking race.
It'd be a good race. We'll have to do that in another video for sure.
It'd be real fun.
All right, time to see the differences.
Time to take you for a drive now.
Race that guy.
Along the Benz. You know what's funny? I actually smoked someone in a Benz once. He's being a huge fucking dick. He like cut, because my girlfriend was following me, so he cut her off.
Oh, okay.
And he was behind me. So I just said, fuck you.
Chomp him.
Yeah, and then he came tried to come on the right side on the highway. And I just said nope, and I just like
Yeah, it must be a little faster. Unless it's just the theatrics of it.
it might just be that. Cause you're like instant power with yours.
Yeah. Not bad.
This one will spin first, second, depending.
Not bad.
It's fun. It's very. I want to race because that would be like they're so similar. Like I said, yours is like instant torque. So it'd be really. I'm really curious to see how they would.
You have different gears though, right? So
Yeah.
you can't do a perfect
I don't know.
transmission race. I'm sure second something would work fine.
I was curious because the torque.
Yeah.
You would probably
Oh,
be
yeah,
way
right.
off before I would.
Yeah.
It'd be a cool race.
Like if we started high RPM in first, like the video, like I would have like 2 seconds.
Yeah, first doesn't give me much either.
But like second 4,000, what would you be doing? Like 40?
What?
Second at like 4K?
Yeah, probably around there. Never really calculated that.
How do you have your top mounted? Is it at the clips or is it like bolted?
The hard top?
Yeah.
It's just
Just those,
these
yeah.
and the Frankensteins.
I've seen some people that just like put a piece of metal there and just like permanently attach it, kind of.
Yeah, I'm gonna be going to Florida in April, and I'm taking this thing, so I think I'm gonna get those problem mats, so I know what it's doing.